Have you ever taken a photo that looked great at first, but when you zoom in, you realize it's actually blurry and lacks detail? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can sharpen and enhance your photos using AIRT Image Enhancer, and the results can be seriously impressive. So let's get started. First, go to the AIRT website, download and install the software. I will leave a link in the video description so you can easily find it. And there is actually a 49% discount available on the lifetime license right now. That's actually pretty crazy. The installation process is super easy. So once you have installed it, let's open the software and see how it works. And here we are. As you can see, the interface is very simple, clean and easy to use. To import your photos, you have several options. You can simply drag and drop your images here. Click on the plus icon or use this arrow to import your photos. I'm going to import these two photos. So here is our first photo. At first glance, the image looks okay. But if we zoom in, you can clearly see that the details are not sharp enough. The eyes and other details are quite blurry. So in this case, I don't want to increase the size of the image because the size of the image is already good enough. I simply want to improve the sharpness and recover more details from the photo. You can also switch between side by side and slider view to easily compare the original and enhanced version. And now let's come to the most important part, the setting on the right side. First, you can select the hardware you want to use for processing. And below that, you will find different AI models. If you're not sure which model to use, don't worry. Simply click on the question mark icon and a new window will pop up explaining the different models and which type of image each one is best suited for. For this particular image, I am going to go with more detail version 3 because I want to recover as much details as possible while sharpening the image. Next, we have the upscale option. Here you can upscale your image by up to 8 times. Or you can even set a custom scale. But since I don't want to increase the size or resolution of the particular image, I'm simply going to keep it at 1x. Then we have two-pass processing. Basically, this processes the image in 2 stages instead of just one, allowing the AI to refine the details further and potentially produce a cleaner and more detailed result. You can also control the strength using this slider. And then we have face restoration. This can be useful when you are working with old or low quality portrait photos where you want to restore and enhance facial details. For this image, I don't need it, so I'm going to keep it turned off. And now everything is ready. Let's click start and give the AI a little bit of time to process the image. And it's done. Now check this out. Compare the before and after. Look at the eyes. The original image was quite blurry, but now look at those details. You can clearly see more definition in the eyes and other features. The difference is honestly pretty impressive. Now let's try another example. This time we have a much smaller and low resolution image, and as you can see, it's also quite blurry. So for this image, we want to do two things. First, improve the sharpness and details, and second, increase the overall image size and resolution. I'll choose the model that I think is best suited for this particular image, and this time I want to upscale the image, so I'm going to set the upscale option to 4x. You can also enable two-pass processing if you want the AI to perform additional processing to refine the result. And now let's click start and see what we get. And we are done. Now look at the difference. The original image was small, blurry and lacked details. But after processing, we have a much larger image with enhanced detail and improved sharpness. You can also check the new resolution right here. And finally, once you are happy with the result, it's time to export your image. Go to the export setting where you can choose your preferred image format, DPI, and the quality. You can also select the output folder where you want to save your enhanced image. then simply click export and you are done. And if you have multiple images to process, you can use the batch export option to process. So that's how you can use AIRT Image Enhancer to sharpen blurry photos, recover details, and upscale low resolution photos. I really like how simple the process is, so definitely check this out. And that's it. I will love this video if you did. Hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.